leaving to Bratislava.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. I'm sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Never going, running, I'm taking my sweet time.
Hey guys, welcome back to new vlog series. Today I'm in Vienna now. I've just reached yesterday. I took a flight from Mumbai. There was a layover in Istanbul. Then yesterday night I've reached in Vienna. Yeah, so just now I'm heading to an walking tour. So stay tuned. So guys, today is my first day in Vienna and I'm staying at the Wombat City Hostel near Naschmarkt. And the plan is simple for today. We'll be visiting the historic old town center of Vienna, admiring its imperial architecture and experiencing the city's rich history. So we have to quickly reach the statue of Archduke Albrecht, from where my walking tour will begin today. So my walking tour begins here at the statue of Archduke Albrecht. So this area offers fantastic view of Vienna historic center and serves as a perfect introduction to the city imperial past.
In this area there was a big air raid. After World War One, and Austria started off as a republic. But well, so a few more words to the imperial palace here. It took them a long time to.
So now next we are walking to the Imperial Gardens, one of the Vienna's most elegant gardens.
Historians say it was much earlier.
The perfectly maintained lawns, flowers and peaceful atmosphere makes it a great place to start the
So
day.
a little bit complicated, and in between his long lifespan there were. In the wars against Napoleon. Napoleon visited Vienna.
So after
2 times.
continuing onwards after the Mozart Monument, we arrived at the impressive outer castle gate. The historic monument reflects Vienna's military history and stands a symbol of resilience. So now we are at the magnificent Hofburg Palace, the former residence of the Hofburg ruler. The scale and the beauty of this complex are absolutely incredible. It's hard to imagine that this was once the center of one of Europe's most beautiful empire. After that, now we are at the most beautiful entrance of the Hofburg complex. It's called Swiss Gate. Its colorful details and historic significance makes it a must-see stop. After walking deeper into the city center with the guided tour, I reached the most famous plaque column. built as a memorial after one of Vienna's deadliest plague outbreaks. It's one of the most striking monuments in the city.
Because when it was built, it was not connected with the main house. It is
And here it is, guys, the
on the
most
side of
iconic
the church,
St.
which is
Stephen's
a neutral.
Cathedral. This Gothic masterpiece has become the symbol of Vienna. So, guys, the walking tour is over now. We enjoyed the walking tour. Now we are just roaming around the cathedral, and after that, we'll go to a quick lunch. Then we'll visit the left door of the cathedral, where we can go by a lift to the top of the tower. On the right tower, there are 300 some steps, so we won't be taking that now, as we are already exhausted with this heat summer of Europe. Also, we couldn't take much videos, so we'll go back on the same route towards our hostel where we can take some good pictures and videos while going around. So I decided to take a lift up to the cathedral left tower for a panoramic view of Vienna. From the top, you can see the city's rooftops, historic buildings, and most modern skyscrapers all come together. Definitely one of the highlights of the day. Also, you can see the beautiful tiles on the roof of the cathedral. So, after enjoying the walking tour, the views, had a quick lunch in a cafe, I'm walking back to the same streets, taking plenty of photos and videos and soaking in the beautiful atmosphere. Every corner of Vienna feels like an open air museum. So, guys, that's a wrap up for day one in Vienna. From imperial palaces and historic monuments to stunning churches and incredible city views, Vienna has already made a fantastic first day impression. If you enjoyed this journey through Vienna Old Town, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next adventure.